Hello and welcome to the video. My friend Claude and I just took a trip to Chiang Mai, Thailand with a couple of side trips, one to Chiang Rai to see the amazing temples and one to see the pavilions and the Doi Inthanon National Park. Enjoy the video. These are called mangosteens. They're so delicious. This is the inside of the mangosteen. You eat the white part. It's delicious. Kind of tastes like fresh cherries. Really good. My first meal in Chiang Mai is cow soy. It's their traditional dish. This is Chiang Mai sausage. It's got like a curry taste to it. It's really good. We're heading into the Wat Phra Singh Temple. How awesome is that? Those aren't real monks, they're wax. I thought they were real people at first. This is amazing. This is Wat Phuoc Hong, and these Buddhist statues represent the 7 days of the week. It's called a stupa. It's part of the original temple. It's built 500 to 600 years ago. And then here's the current temple. It looks like a wedding cake. They serve beer by the liter here. This is Singa, a rooftop bar here in Chiang Mai. And this is, that was another temple. Good morning. Today we're taking a trip to the White Temple, Blue Temple, and Light Temple from Chiang Mai. About a 3-hour drive to the White Temple. About halfway there right now. And just taking a little rest stop at this place. Got a nice waterfall over here. Waterfall. Should be fun. These temples look amazing. I can't wait to see them. That's the White Temple. That is so amazing. This is supposed to be hell. And those are like the guardians of hell. So this side of the bridge is heaven. We're entering. It's the most ornate place I've ever seen. So much cool stuff here. They said this temple was originally built 150 years ago, but it was destroyed in an earthquake. So most of the stuff here is from 27 years ago. This is on the same grounds as the White Temple. Let's see. similar to the White Temple. This is heaven on this side, and then if you go on the other side, it's hell, which I will show you. And apparently the guy who made the Blue Temple was the apprentice of the guy who made the White Temple. So he did it in a similar vein. This is the hell side on the other side. Skulls and everything.
Blue Temple, bluish.
Las zapatos y ponlos en el estante de abajo. Please take off your shoes. Put them on the shelf.
This is called the Light Temple. That was just the gate. This is the Temple of Light. It's huge.
Yeah. I don't eat a lot. After he eat a lot, he's fat.
There used to be a big chapel back there, but all was destroyed by fire 7 months ago. So they're rebuilding. That's what all that noise is.
Actually, the jungle. I don't know. Sorry. This is.
It's a gigantic Buddha back there. These statues are all really huge, but that Buddha back there is the biggest. Good morning. Today we're doing an elephant sanctuary. Get to feed them and shower with them, which ought to be really fun. Never been very close to an elephant before, so this ought to be great.
เอารองเท้าเปียกไปบริจาครถโคตรเพราะว่ารองเท้าอันแบบเดียวกันมันที่มีขายแล้วรุ่นที่แม่พี่เอาไปบริจาค
Cleans it off before he eats it. This baby elephant is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Oh wow, it's been an hour.
3 months old.
Cute baby elephant.
Today is a good day.
Oh, stream. This is cow soy. And that's kimchi, and that's green curry, and those are spring rolls. Those were spring rolls. This place is awesome. If you're ever in Chiang Mai, this is the place to go. Get there early though, because they don't have a lot of tables, and it gets to be a line. That is a huge tree. This waterfall is 70 meters tall. It's very impressive. There's a snake. Very well camouflaged snake.
Yeah.
They're growing strawberries here, and back there they're growing chrysanthemum flowers. This is the first of 3 waterfalls we're going to see on this hike, but this is actually just the top of it. It's 3 levels. Here's the bottom of it. You can't see the top part from here. Pretty massive. Not as big as the other one we saw. This part's really cool. It's like a fountain. There's another snake. So well camouflaged. I don't know how the guy found it. There's our second waterfall. Very nice. This is the biggest waterfall on this hike, 20 meters high. This is the runoff from the previous waterfall. Kind of a waterfall on its own. So these are rice fields, but they're not being used right now because they don't start planting until July, and then they harvest in November during the rainy season.
Well, I guess it's difficult to use in the sea.
The red spider. This cabin is used for resting during harvesting season. They have their lunches here, and sometimes they sleep here.
Sweet.
These are coffee beans.
Yeah, not really smell. Yeah.
A beautiful area. This is a homestay right here, like a hotel. This is a Karen tribe village. 400 people live here. This is a huge spider.
Oh my God.
Not huge.
Spider is huge. We're going to the summit of Doi Inthanon, which is the highest point in Thailand. Don't know how much of a view we're gonna have, but we'll see. Now visiting the King and Queen pagodas. The weather has cleared up nicely. That's the current King and Queen of Thailand. This is the Queen's Pagoda. That's the King's Pagoda over there, built in honor of the King's 60th birthday in 1987. This is inside the Queen's Pagoda. The Queen's Pagoda was built in 1992 in honor of the Queen's 60th birthday. View's a little hazy. This is the Queen's Flower Garden. Very nice. So many flowers. King's Pagoda on the right, Queen's Pagoda on the left. These are the Queen's Gardens. Very beautiful. This is looking at the Queen's Pagoda from the King's Pagoda. This is inside the King's Pagoda. More beautiful gardens with the Queen's Pagoda behind. Another view from the King's Pagoda. This place has awesome food. highly recommend. This is barbecue pork. This is northern curry with pork. Those are shrimp cakes. That's Chiang Mai sausage, and that's morning glory. I stand corrected. This is Hang Lei curry. Thai massage. This is gonna be awesome. That was amazing. I feel so good right now. An hour of getting pummeled, basically, but it was so worth it. Awesome. And this is what I have. Cow soy again. Really, really good. This is papaya salad, just so good. And this is very good. Also, on my way to take a bike tour of Chiang Mai. It's a free bike tour, so hopefully it'll be good. This is part of the old city wall right here. And this is an amazing tree. And another amazing tree. Wat Puak Chang. The mall was built in 1296. Some of it's been destroyed, but a lot of it is still standing.
Yeah, sipping water.
It's Three Kings Square.
60,
Three Kings Monument.
21 years old of Chiang Mai.
Shangman Temple. This was the first temple in Chiang Mai. It was built in 1296. It's still standing.
And killing people underneath. Yeah, it's more like tech.
Some really amazing paintings in here.
Wife sleep, husband still. Yeah. Chang chips. 24 hours.
Market. They're Asian pumpkins. Papayas. Lots of papayas. 120 baht for a whole bag of potatoes. That's like $6. Another market was a wholesale market. This is more of a retail market.
It's too soft, you see.
It's juicy.
That's pretty amazing. This is Chinatown.
Biggest local market.
This is the biggest market in Chiang Mai. Another market right across the street from the other one. Walking back from the bike tour, and I ran into this Chiang Rai temple. We had a great time in Chiang Mai. It's such a beautiful part of Thailand. The whole northern part of Thailand is really interesting. The temples in Chiang Rai were especially fascinating. Now we're on to Laos.